No, that's fine. We were just about finished here. Ain't that right? Good night, Beth.
Percy? Everything okay out here? He wants me to marry him. Percy! I said no. That man deserves better than me. I'm not sure there is better than you. Shelby! Shelby, you don't know me. I know you're my friend. Yeah. Well, do you know why I got locked up in prison for 5 years? I killed somebody, Shelby. Who? My stepfather, Mason Talbot. I was 16 when he got me pregnant. Percy. My mama just slapped me. Told me to shut up about it, but you know what? I found myself loving that little life inside of me. Feeling it grow. I got to calling it Johnny B. after that song. Johnny Be Good. And I swore to God I was going to protect that baby no matter what, but Mason, he took me with his fist so bad that my baby, all I could think about was how I hadn't kept my promise. Mason must have been afraid of the police or something, because he took me out of the hospital and dumped me in the back of his car. We ended up in this motel somewhere. Mason had a bottle. He was into it real good. He was telling me how it was right. How it was right that my baby died. And I didn't say nothing. But later that night, when he was laying there all passed out, I took his straight razor. Percy! Oh, Percy, girl! Sing along the Chinese song, pocket full of life, to the only white bird neath the northern sky. Oh, you're tired, just one didn't wait to fly. White bird, dream a dream of lifting up from this hollow tree, like a circle round the sun, high above the sea.